In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to navigate and utilize manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com for your website management and editing needs. We'll get started by heading to manage.wix.com. This is your main gateway to managing your site. It's often called the dashboard, and it's where you'll find all the essential tools needed to effectively run your website. Once you're on the dashboard, look for the Setup section. It's your overall control panel where many important settings and customization options are housed. This is the perfect spot for managing fundamental aspects of your site, like your website's domain, contacts, and more. Use this area to get everything just right before diving into your creative work. Now let's move over to editor.wix.com. This is where the magic happens. The editor is quite literally the heart of creating and customizing your site. Once inside, the first step is to look for the Add Elements button. You'll typically find this option on the left-hand side of the screen. Clicking this button is like opening a toolbox. It brings up a panel that includes all sorts of possibilities, from text boxes and buttons to image galleries and videos. Adding elements is about bringing your vision to life, so take some time to explore these options and decide what best fits your design needs. After exploring those elements, find the Instagram icon within the same panel. Adding social media icons is a great way to connect your website visitors with your activity on other platforms. Having an Instagram link right there on your site can help visitors easily find and follow you on social media, broadening your reach and engagement. Once the Instagram icon is placed on your site, remember you can adjust it by dragging it into the position that makes the most visual sense, perhaps in your header or footer where visitors are likely to see it. You'll also want to link this icon to your actual Instagram account, which is done by clicking it and selecting the option to add your Instagram URL. Finally, don't forget to save your work. It's important to regularly save your changes to ensure all your hard work is not lost. In the upper right corner of your screen, you'll find the Save button. Pressing this will store all the updates you've made during your session. It's a good habit to save often, especially if you're making a lot of changes along the way. Once you're happy with your results, you might also want to hit the Publish button as well. This way, all your updates can go live for your visitors to see. And there you have it, a full guide to getting a handle on using manage.wix.com and editor.wix.com to manage and customize your Wix site efficiently. Happy web designing!